The ARC165 Pro Stick Welder by ARCCAPTAIN offers a powerful 165 amp capacity, making it compatible with popular welding rods 6013 and 7018 for superior weld quality. It features a convenient mobile app control that allows you to adjust welding parameters remotely, making it very user-friendly, especially for beginners and maintenance purposes. With its intuitive LED interface, the AR165 Pro automatically matches current and voltage based on electrode diameter or workpiece thickness, simplifying the welding process for novices. Equipped with a smart cooling system, this welder ensures efficient heat dissipation and reduced noise, while multiple safety functions provide secure operation and prolong machine life. The welder offers versatile functionality with both stick and lift TIG modes, featuring adjustable hot start and arc force for smoother welding, suitable for various metals. Weighing only 8.2 pounds, the ARC165 Pro is lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport and store, complemented by a dust cover for cleanliness.